Now, back to the Boland Show with your host, Maurice Boland.
Well, there you are. I'm looking forward to this. If you want to know how to cook your ghoulies, stand by. But I have been looking forward to pronouncing the name because you know how awful I was. Just now on the show was Wazim Mahmoud. I managed that okay, but this time I hope I get it right. Ljubomir Erovic. I hope it is, from Serbia. Is that right? Ljubomir Erovic.
That's correct.
Wow.
First of all, thank you for inviting me to your program, and I want to say hello to all listeners from Serbia.
It sounds like the Eurovision Song Contest. Serbia 2 points, England 1 point.
Yes.
Ljubomir, so where are you at the moment?
I'm at my home.
Where's that?
Gornji Milanovac, Serbia.
Okay, now tell me a little bit about you. I mean, are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
Serbian chef, and
Yes.
you've written a book. See, that's why I ask you, serious. The Testicle Cookbook. I mean, this might be a book that a lot of wives that have unfaithful husbands might be interested in buying.
I'm sorry, please, you must speak very slowly
Okay.
because I can't hear you very good.
Okay, Ljubomir. Tell me a little bit about this book. It's the Testicle Cookbook.
Yes, it's the Testicle Cookbook, yes.
What inspired this book? Why write this book? Are you
Why?
serious about testicles?
Well, ever since I was a little boy, I listened to all the talking about testicles. When well prepared and cooked, can stimulate sexual activities. Well, it seemed funny and stupid to me. Then until as I grow up, man, I tasted delicious goulash at the party sometime at the end of the 80s. I was told that it was a rabbit goulash. I couldn't sleep that very night because I became incredibly aroused and felt a real charge of positive energy that I had to use somehow. I had never experienced anything like that before. The next day, after the wild night, I found out from a friend that the dish we ate was testicle goulash. I suddenly realized that it could be a great way to help the sexually troubled ones and through the cooking context discover the strongest aphrodisiac to conquer the world.
Really?
The way to better sexual life through food and not drugs is the idea that keeps running through my mind.
Well, what do women say to you? If you've got the balls, I've got the kitchen.
Yes, I have balls in the kitchen.